हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं प्रीतम कुमार डिपोजिशन राइटर बिहार से बिल्कुल आप सभी का शॉर्ट एंड लर्निंग गोल पे स्वागत करता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, आज का इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन 80 WPM के स्पीड से रहेगा, इसलिए रिक्वेस्ट है कि डिक्टेशन को लास्ट तक नोट डाउन करके ट्रांसक्राइब करेंगे, क्योंकि यह डिक्टेशन सभी एग्जामिनेशन के लिए काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है। फ्रेंड्स, न्यू डिक्टेशन तथा अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए शॉर्ट एंड लर्निंग गोल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें तथा बेल बटन को भी जरूर प्रेस कर लें तथा ऑल बटन को भी जरूर प्रेस कर लें। अगर आप ओल्ड सब्सक्राइबर हैं तो इस डिक्टेशन को अपने ग्रुप में भी शेयर करें ताकि आपके ग्रुप के फ्रेंड्स भी इस डिक्टेशन का लाभ उठा सके। फ्रेंड्स, आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं तथा टेलीग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। बी रेडी फॉर डिक्टेशन। इट इज कॉन्टेंडेड दैट द एक्शन ऑफ द स्टेट इन नॉट regularizing the employees was not fair within the framework of the rule of law. Stop. The rule of law compels the state to make appointments as envisaged by the Constitution and in the manner we have indicated earlier. Stop. In most of these cases, no doubt the employees had worked for some length of time, but this has also been brought about by the pendency of proceedings in tribunals and courts initiated at the instance of the employees. Stop. Moreover, accepting an argument of this nature would mean that the state would be permitted to perpetuate an illegality in the matter of public employment, and that would be a negation of the constitutional scheme adopted by us. Stop. It is therefore, not possible to accept the argument that there must be a direction to make permanent all the persons employed on daily wages. Stop. When the court is approached for relief by way of a writ, the court has necessarily to ask itself whether the person before it had any legal right to be enforced. Stop. Considered in the light of the very clear constitutional scheme, it cannot be said that the employees have been able to establish a legal right to be made permanent even though they have never been appointed in terms of the relevant rules or in adherence of Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution. Stop. Para. It is argued that in a country like India, where there is so much poverty and unemployment, and there is no equality of bargaining power, the action of the state is not making the employees permanent would be violative of Article 21 of the Constitution. Stop. But the very argument indicates that there are so many waiting for employment and an equal opportunity for competing for employment, and it is in that context that the Constitution, as one of its basic features, has included Articles 14, 16 and 309 so as to ensure that public employment is given only in a fair and equitable manner by giving all those who are qualified, an opportunity to seek employment. Stop. In the guise of upholding rights under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, a set of persons cannot be preferred over a vast majority of people waiting for an opportunity to compete for state employment. Stop. The acceptance of the argument on behalf of the respondents would really negate the rights of the others conferred by Article 21 of the Constitution, assuming that we are in a position to hold that the right to employment is also a right coming within the purview of Article 21 of the Constitution. Stop. The argument that Article 23 of the Constitution is breached because the employment on daily wages amounts to forced labor cannot be accepted. Stop. After all, the employed accepted the employment at their own violation and with eyes open as to the nature of their employment. Stop. The governments also revised the minimum wages payable from time to time in the light of all relevant circumstances. Finally, stop. Thanks for watching.